This is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas, and I'm here in the Mandalay Bay Hotel Las Vegas in room 23201, which is an executive king room. This room is larger than your average hotel room, although not as big as a suite, and presents a great option. Let's take a quick tour. So walking in from the doorway, there's a fairly long hallway. That was the original doorway. You had a mirror back there to get dressed. You're now in the main body of the room, which is slightly larger than your regular hotel room, or at least your regular hotel room here at the Mandalay Bay. You have a good work desk. Here's where the real bonus space of the room comes in, though. You have an additional seating area. And you certainly couldn't hold a large party in this room, but you could absolutely gather several of your friends for drinks or to just sit and talk, or if you want to have some space to sit and read a book. My particular view in this room is great. I can see up and down the strip. I can watch the airport operations. Some of the other rooms have views of the pool or other options like that. And the bathroom is also very nice. You have the double sinks. You have a really large tub, a standalone shower, and the toilet is in its own room, which is great when you're trying to get ready earlier in the day. The bathroom has plenty of power plugs, 2 there and 2 more there, as well as a TV that's located inside the mirror. In terms of other storage options, you have a closet here by the bed and a much larger closet here, which is where I'm keeping my stuff. Inside this one, there's also the safe deposit box. You have adequate power plugs around the room, however, they're placed weirdly. For example, here by the bed, you have one. You have one on the other side of the bed. You also have power plugs here on the bar. The room does contain a mini bar. It's there in that far cabinet. I wound up purchasing some of the mini bar water. I'm not looking forward to seeing that when it comes across on my bill. The one real drawback of this room, and there's plenty of light, the one real drawback of this room is this work desk. It is a great work desk. It's a pretty space. You can open up the windows, or rather the curtains. You can get great light. You can see things. The problem is that there are no electric plugs anywhere on this work desk. There is one kind of behind it, but it's recessed into the floor, which makes it awfully hard to get to, and you have to unplug the lamp to do it. The other challenge with this particular room is that the walls are fairly thin, and you can hear your neighbors next door. So would I say in an executive king room here at the Mandalay Bay again? Absolutely. It was a great value. It's a much larger than average room. Gives you sort of a premium feeling without really paying a premium price. Bathroom's great. They just need to fix a couple of things, such as giving me a better place to plug in when I'm doing work. The bed, though, is super comfy. The room is well decorated, and I'm having a great stay. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please like and subscribe so we can show you the latest on all of our Vegas trips. Take care.